Good morning, guys. What's going on with you? On today's video, we're going to check out the Kraken. This is made for the club car Precedent or the 1515 controllers that comes like in the tempos and Precedents and stuff like that. So let's find us a cart and let's get started, see exactly what this right here does. All right, we got us a tempo. I think this right here is going to work good. And before we get with the Kraken, let's take it for a test drive and see exactly what it does. Oh, this thing is super slow. Just completely stock, little tempo, clean cart, but this right here is probably going every bit of 12, 13 miles per hour. All right, we got the Kraken. Let's put it into the diagnostic port. I think it goes this way. I think that little notch goes towards the rear, and it does. Here we are. It says Kraken welcome, Curtis connected. 1515, 5207 controller. Reading success. So, fast acceleration is off. Let's turn it on and hit flash. Let's see the speed. Well, I think we clocked at 12. It's set at 12 and a half. We're gonna go all the way up with it. 20 miles per hour, flash, success. Pedal up is firm. So once you take your foot off the pedal, it wants to brake. So we can make it coast or we can make it mild. It's either one you really want to do there, or you can leave it firm, you can leave it firm. I'ma just, let's say mild, because that gives you some region braking. The braking, XL brake is on. Reverse speed, 7.6 miles per hour, that's fine. And walk away is on. We can turn it off, it's completely up to you. All right, everything is a success right now. Let's see if it's got any faults. No faults at all, so we're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this. When you unplug it, grab it by the connector, not by the wire. You don't want to pull those wires out of there, okay? But there it is. I'm gonna get it back in this box and let's see exactly how fast this little car right here is now. Okay, so let's try this right here again. We got cars coming, but we're gonna shoot for it anyway. And already I can tell it's picking up speed so much quicker than it was before. Yeah, I can tell it's in the upper teens now, gotta be. It picks up speed so much better. I'm gonna turn off here because we got cars behind us, and it's not stopping like it was. We still have it on the mild setting, so that's good. We probably did 17, 18. I wonder if this cart has lead or lithium. That makes a big difference as well. I didn't check that out. So, lead. This cart has lead. So, with that being said, it's a good looking little cart. Not bad, little tempo. Mod seats. What, 18, 19 miles per hour? We probably could have got 20. Would have got even in the 20s if it was lifted, like say 23s in a 6-inch lift kit. Might be even higher with lithium. Now, a lot of people say the lithium does not make the golf cart any quicker. However, a 48 volt lead golf cart versus 51.2 volt lithium, you get a few more volts out of a lithium battery than you do a lead. So in return, you might get 1 mile per hour or 2 at that. So just keep that in mind. Guys, if you want to check out the Kraken, I'm going to put a coupon code in the video description. you can save $25 off yours. This one here is the dealer version. And I think the speed code 4s are like 80 bucks or 90 bucks for a dealer or whatever. Well, you can do unlimited with this. You don't have to buy a speed code 4. But I say go with the dealer version because, hey, you could use this right here to make a little side money in your area as well. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching today's quick video. But until next time, we'll see you later. And I also got another version of this right here as well. We already did the RXV, but I also have an EasyGo TXT that we're going to be doing very soon as well. All right, guys, until next time, see y'all later.